Importing and exporting. Obviously, importing and exporting are very important for any CRM, and we have both here. And you click Setup Parameters, Export to export, of course. You can use label names, so the names that you used here, or field names, the name that the field has, and then it'll take you to whatever directory you choose, right? And then you can export to uh, tab delimited. Let me see if I can move this thing a little bit up so you'll be able to see. And to tab CSV, DBF, and others, FileMaker, and Excel. CSV usually is the most common. So you type your name, say it's context CSV, and you click Save, and then you export or move actually from here to here the field that you want to export, and then you click Export, and it will be exported to that file. The other thing, the opposite, is import from other formats, and we have the ability to save the mapping for 5 different sets. So that means that if you are buying lists from a provider, and it has a specific format like first name, last name, the company, and then a phone number, maybe then the mobile, and maybe then the email, etc. You can save up to 5 different structures, and you will able to retrieve them just by clicking the button. If I click here, I could look for well, I didn't say the file before, so if I type context, I'm not gonna have it. The context CSV file, I don't have it, so I'm gonna say that doesn't exist. But if I had it, I would be able to match the fields and then simply import them. As a matter of fact, because it is really so easy, I can export here. Yes, for the testing is really easy. I'm gonna do it in this format only because it's gonna match automatically. It's gonna be pretty convenient. So I'm gonna put context. This is the native context, a native format. So, and export it, so it's as simple as that, and then import it. I'm gonna choose this one, doesn't matter really, and we have it here, actually the things that I exported. So I'm gonna open, and if we see, we can match manually by moving these things, but in this case it's matching names because I use a format that does the matching, and we can see here all the fields that will be imported if I want, in fact, 101. I'm not gonna import them. Well, I mean, I could and then delete them all. So I can import all of them right now. This 105, right, which I exported before, and they were. I can even do a sampling, you know, kind of import out of the 110. I can import 10 to see if everything is fine. In this case, I know everything is fine, so I'm importing everything, and I'm going to delete them immediately because right now I have 200. So I'm gonna import it immediately. I'm gonna go here to the list. They are segregated, the ones that I imported, and I'm gonna simply delete them pretty easily. I'm gonna delete everything, and that's how you can import and export records to your database.